This is Annie's Nature Lodge in Mawlynnong. It's a very unique place in whole Mawlynnong because it's the only place which is inside the plantation of beetlenuts. The landowner, Mr. Hamlin, he has made very nice work of constructing this cottage and the surrounding, the bamboo fencing. Just if one walk downwards, then there is a small pond of fish. Hamlin has many fish. He has put many fish in that. Here, this is a small rabbit farm. A lot of greenery around the property. This is a nice walkway. I liked it so much because it's a bamboo framed, and the stones, crushed stones have kept. So it's better to walk when there is a heavy rain. So it doesn't become a slippery because of this. So very nice work has done. This is a thatch roof of beetlenut leaf, dried beetlenut leaf. It adds beauty to this place at the entrance. This is a roof where inner lining of bamboo has made. It's a kind of small balcony, nice balcony with a good view of plantation. Small wash basin, convenient to wash the hands. This is a room. It has two beds. This is one single bed. This is one double bed. There is a mirror along with small dressing table. Two big windows. Well built modern toilet and bath. Good thing is there is a shower along with the geyser for hot water as well. Toilet also has a jet spray and the flush, small wash basin. So everything what needed is there to have a comfortable stay at this place. The second room is under construction. Still he has not finished it. Hopefully it will be finished soon. So the guest will have two rooms very similar as seen just now. Thank you.